Hello everyone, today let's introducing the HK-16C Micro High-Speed Centrifuge. This unit is compact in size, saving space in the laboratory. It is suitable for the separation of small sample volumes in biology, medicine, scientific research and other fields. The color LCD screen displays the speed, centrifugal force, centrifugation time, rotor number, acceleration stage, deceleration stage, program group number, and door status. To adjust the parameters, first press the SET button. When the parameter is flashing, press the up key to increase and the down key to decrease. Press the orange key lightly to toggle between displaying speed and centrifugal force. The rotor number must be set to match the configuration. There are 10 speed ramping levels. The higher the number, the faster the acceleration, deceleration. Once adjusted, press the OK key to save. The red button is the stop and door release button. The green button is the start button. This unit is equipped with a number for angle rotor. Place sample tubes in the wells in equal and symmetrical quantities, if the number of tubes is very small. Add an equal volume of water to balance the load, to ensure effective centrifugation. First, loosen the handle on the rotor cap to remove the cap. Use an 8mm T-wrench to loosen the locking nut anti-clockwise. Remove the angle rotor by pulling it out perpendicular to the bearings. When installing the rotor, insert the 12 5mm angle rotor perpendicular to the bearings. Use a 6mm T-wrench, tighten the locking nut clockwise.